Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Liketonline Cooling Ace. But before we get into that, since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. You can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here guys, this is the Liketonline Cooling Ace, and I'm just going to say right off the bat that this product is a scam. Since there are a lot of items like these that have been just drop shipped from China and they have different names. For example, this one is named Liketonline, but there are a lot of different products like this. So as you can see right here, there are a lot of different things. The Sharum, Migilife, and a lot more. And if you look closely, they all look exactly the same. So as you can see right here, just in different colors and different names. So it's basically impossible for this to cool an entire room, since for something this small, where will it get the power from to cool an entire room? This is basically just a fan. So as you can see, there's only one review here and no customer reviews. So please guys, do not buy this in the hopes of it cooling your entire room. A lot of reviews have said that this is just basically a fan. And that is basically it guys, so please avoid buying this product if you don't want to get scammed. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.